Good morning. First time I will introduce myself. My name is Wayan, Wahyu, Diah, Gangga, Devi. I'm number 4 from Manajemen B morning. And then I will explain about how to use a curly portable NVMe. Purpose of use to make hair curly with a hairstyle using this portable curler. For materials, hair combs, hair tongs, portable curly, and hair vitamins. How to operate? First, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until you hear a beep sound and the LCD screen lights up. After that, you press the power button to select temperature, direction, temperature unit, and timer. After that, press the Add and Sub button to adjust the settings. Number 1. Temperature range that is Celsius 150 to 200 degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit 300 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Direction that is left, rotate left with symbol L. And then right, rotate direction to right with symbol R. And number 3, time range that is 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 seconds. And next come the hair and divide into section no more than 2 centimeters wide. After adjusting the color as need, wait a few seconds for the iron to heat up, then insert a small amount of hair into the curling camber. Press and hold the start button. Activate the machine that will curl and hair inward. After that, release the start button when the first beep sound is heard. The curling process is finished when the last beep sound is heard. Pull the straightener down to release it. The number of audible beeps equals the time set by the timer. Example, if the timer is 8 seconds, then the beep sound is 8 times. And the last, when finished using, turn off the vise by pressing the power. And the finish, the hair is very well set using this portable curler. Thank you.